Hello everybody, welcome to 6.3 or 7, based on whatever I decide after I finish this video. And you can see I've added back the person class, and today we're going to be talking about everything about keys and getting input from the user. So, let's start with the simplest thing. U8 input equals get string blank. And then we'll just print with a new line at the end, input. Get string gets the string that is terminated with a new line. So, super useful. So let's run it. Boop. Boop. There, very useful. But we could also add a enter a prompt for it, or a message as it calls it. And then we can say, hi. Poop poof fart 2000. Hello, poop poof fart 2000. See? It works. So, now that we have our name, wait a minute. I think I might have forgotten something. Let me read the code for this. How could I? Wait, what? What's it doing? I forgot to free input. Not invert. This is the 14th time I've actually put invert in a video in an attempt for making one of these. But this video specifically. Okay. Now that we know input will be freed, let's make another. U8 input 2 equals get str enter h. I am having troubles. U8 age equals to I64. I know it could be I64, but we're not going to do that yet. If string to I64 input 2 is greater than 100, or str2 I64 input 2 is less than 5, I'd say. So it's, no, we should make it if it's less than 100 and greater than 5. Yeah, there. And then now in the statement, we would make age equal to 64 input 2. Oh, I don't know why I keep on doing that. And then say we should make a person class. Person B again. Reference to the original video. B.name equals input. B.age equals age. I.S. age D. Then for the first one, we do P.name, and for the second one, P.age. And then we'd also make sure we don't forget to free input 2. That is, so how do I keep on messing that up? Okay, and I think we can officially get rid of this one. Officially. I'm not sure why I said officially. Enter name, test. Enter age, 4. Damn. I really messed something up. I've restarted, and I've realized I've freed input twice. What's your name? Ooh. Oh, ooh, hey. I think I should make a little... I'm gonna make a little statement at the end that's end. Or I'm just gonna make a little thing called go to. Or... yeah, let's maybe just clean up. Invalid age. And we'd go to cleanup. This is the only that I know of keyword that acts like this. And now that I've done these checks, if I write John, and if I join, if I do 1, valid age. Now John, 32. Oh, wait, no. That's if it's correct, not if it's incorrect. I'm sorry, viewer, that is more correcter than me. Valid age. We need to make it as ominous as possible so people make sure they don't put in any horrid invalid ages. John 1. If input is less than 100 and input is, yeah, that should work. So else should also work. John 1. First of all, I need to add a update. Maybe if we might need to do a separate if. Yes, I'm going to type all this again. Bear with me here. Input 2 greater than 100, or in drink the Y64 input 2 less than 5. John 1. Invalid age. There, it works. Fine. And also in this, I'm going to show you single characters. Say, after this, the cleanup, that's the end. So I'm going to put this a little before the end. So I'm going to make this happen in the next episode. Goodbye.